A salute to the dignitaries and viewers. I feel happy welcoming you all for the celebration of 150th anniversary of periodic table. Magic had happened in chemistry was just a sentence, but the discovery of periodic table has proved it all, and so the periodic table is certainly the most significant concept in science, capturing the essence of not only chemistry but also physics, earth science, medicine and biology. I, G.K.Lathekka'S from 10th standard of New Modern VIDHYA, the high secondary school, stand before you with full of excitement to present a seminar on the topic Periodic Table of Chemical Elements, Impact on Human Welfare. Wonders started happening when a lot of chemists came forward arranging elements together. The first move was MR.ALOYSIUS and then followed by D.R.B.GIRISH with his law of triads, and later on continued by Newlands with his law of octaves. The research went on with Meyer and Silber, but Mendel's pattern in periodic table is unforgettable and remarkable. But he arranged everything according to their atomic masses, so the flaws in his periodic table were given a relief by Dr. Henry Moseley, and the leftovers in Mendel's periodic table such as aluminium, silicon and boron were later on discovered to be germanium, gallium and scandium respectively. The periodic table has a set of trends in its classification. Some of them are atomic radius, ionic radius, ionization energy, electron affinity, electronegativity, etc. The classification of these elements into S-block elements containing alkali and alkaline earth metals, P-block elements of representative elements, D-block elements of transition elements, and F-block elements containing lanthanides and actinides have made the understanding of periodic table a bit more easier. Another important feature is that it tells us each element's atomic number and atomic mass. So rather than memorizing the facts and figures of each and every element, we students and scientists just need to have a look at the periodic table to learn much about an element, whether it is likely to conduct electricity, whether it is hard or soft, and many other characteristics. Have you ever looked at the periodic table and sighed with frustration? There are so many elements and so much to remember about them. Because the periodic table is not only a database of all known elements of this universe, it is a very intelligent way of classification of the elements. With rapid advancements in science and technologies, the number of discovered elements also increased, and hence attempts have been made to classify these elements according to similar characteristics, so that we are able to tell a behavior of an element just by looking at its position on the periodic table. Fine. The impacts of this periodic table were notable in the medical industry. For example, as a cancer-fighting element, the first thing that comes to one's mind can be platinum. And the periodic table has been making a drastic development in technologies. As an instance, rhenium is now considered to be a shining pearl of aerospace industry. The impact of this modern periodic table were revolutionary in nuclear sciences. Do you know why? That is because of the discovery of transuranium elements. Transuranium elements are elements that are discovered after uranium, and the first discovered elements are neptunium and plutonium in the year 1940 to 41 by Seaborg. This shows that our periodic table has paved the way for the discovery and development of really new elements. Coming to our nation, India is a country known for agriculture, where pesticides and fertilizers play an ever-increasing role. It also includes 6 macronutrients and 7 micronutrients. So the elements of periodic table have a great part in feeding the world's growing population. Boron is used as a rocket fuel igniter. Jet engines, the fastest ever vehicle found by mankind, is because of the combination of aluminium, titanium and vanadium. The applications and uses of all the elements in periodic table are limitless in our day-to-day life. So here I am enlisting such uses of the elements that are rarely known by the people. India stands in the front row by launching spacecrafts, and we are all proud of our nation, right? But not everyone are aware of the liquid hydrogen used as a rocket propellant, and it is also used in Chandrayaan, the pride of our nation. Scandium has helped the world to its brightness by being used in mercury lamps to replicate sunlight, and it is used for film and television industries. We all use electronic gadgets, but do we think of germanium and silicon in motherboards? What about lithium in batteries? Technetium in radioactive tracer is now utilized globally for reducing the affected regions of internal organs. Tantalum and titanium are used as surgical implants. The commercial world is now in need of neon tubes for advertising signs. LEDs seek the help of gallium. Yttrium has caused enormous changes as color tubes in television and smartphones. Praseodymium as didymium glass is a treasure for torch workers. The use of rubidium has given us the most needed GPS. Compact discs has changed the lifestyle of mankind. Headphones and speakers are the major entertaining tools that some medium contributes to. Osmium is playing an undeniable role by being a part of mentals, and it is also a part of forensic science as fingerprint powders. So, when we compare our lifestyles with that of our ancestors, we get to realize a significant amount of changes that our centuries gone through. We are living in a world where everything becomes better with the usage of elements that we find in our periodic table. So we human beings should have a vast knowledge about the periodic table, because directly or indirectly we depend on it throughout our life. The bonding between the periodic table and human welfare has become inevitable. So let us all hope for the progression of periodic table to a greater extent. Thank you.
Fine.